This is not just a Dodge Challenger, this is the 840 horsepower factory-built drag monster that made supercars look nervous, the legendary 2018 SRT Demon. The moment this machine comes into view, you know it was built for something different. This is the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, a name that changed the muscle car world forever. Not created to simply cruise, not designed to follow the rules, but engineered to dominate the drag strip while still wearing a license plate. With its brutal supercharged power, factory drag technology, and unmistakable attitude, the Demon became one of the most legendary performance cars of the modern era. Finished in an iconic Plum Crazy Pearl-Coat exterior, this Challenger SRT Demon carries the spirit of classic American muscle into the future. Every curve, every vent, and every aggressive detail tells a story of speed. The wide-body stance immediately demands attention, with massive fender flares wrapping around enormous 18-inch by 11-inch aluminum wheels. Those wheels are fitted with P3 Fine 40R18 Nitto Demon branded drag radial tires. Tires specifically chosen to help this monster launch harder and grip the pavement like a dedicated race car. At the front, the Demon Air Grabber hood creates an unmistakable presence. This functional hood scoop is not just for appearance, it channels air directly into the supercharged engine, feeding the heart of this beast with the oxygen it needs to create unbelievable power. The illuminated air catcher headlamps add another signature touch, combining aggressive styling with functional performance. But the real magic begins underneath the hood. Hid beneath that iconic design is the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 SRT engine. This engine represents the ultimate expression of Dodge performance engineering, producing an incredible 840 horsepower and massive torque when optimized with the Demon's performance equipment. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a wave of power that transforms ordinary roads into a personal drag strip. The power is controlled through the TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts while allowing the Demon to maintain brutal acceleration. This transmission works together with advanced performance systems like Launch Assist, Torque Reserve, and the revolutionary TransBrake technology. The TransBrake allows the Demon to build engine power before launch, creating the perfect setup for explosive acceleration. Combined with drag mode, suspension, and line lock, this Challenger was designed with one goal: achieving the fastest possible launch. The Demon was not just powerful, it was intelligent. The SRT Power Chiller uses the vehicle's air conditioning system to reduce supercharger temperatures, helping maintain maximum performance. The after-run cooler continues circulating coolant after the engine shuts down, protecting important components after intense driving sessions. Active damping suspension adjusts the vehicle's behavior, allowing the Demon to transfer weight effectively during hard launches. Behind the wheel, the Demon feels like a race machine. The Wild Wheel Alcantara steering wheel provides a premium performance connection between driver and machine, while the SRT drive modes allow drivers to adjust the vehicle's personality. Whether cruising through the city or attacking the drag strip, the Demon adapts to the mission. Inside, everything reflects the Demon's purpose. The serialized Demon Dash plaque reminds everyone that this is a limited production icon. The cabin features performance-focused equipment, including SRT performance pages, a 200 mph primary speedometer, and driver-focused controls. This particular Demon embraces its racing DNA with weight-saving features including the deleted passenger seat, deleted rear seat, reduced sound insulation, and trunk carpet delete. Every removed pound helped improve acceleration and create a more focused driving experience. Even with its track-focused personality, the Demon still offers modern luxury and technology. The Uconnect 4C nav system with an 8.4-inch touchscreen provides navigation, entertainment, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth integration, Sirius XM services, and performance monitoring keep the cabin connected while maintaining its racing character. What makes the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon truly special is not just the horsepower number. It is the fact that Dodge created something almost impossible: a factory-built drag racing machine that owners could drive home from the dealership. The Demon became a symbol of American performance. It proved that a production car could combine raw mechanical power, advanced technology, and extreme engineering into one unforgettable package with a value around $145,000. This example represents more than a high-performance vehicle. It represents a piece of automotive history. It represents the final era of unrestricted supercharged muscle, where engineers were willing to push boundaries and create something legendary. The 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon is more than a car. It is a statement. A supercharged reminder that American muscle still knows how to create fear, excitement, and pure driving emotion. This is the Demon, born on the drag strip, built for the street, and forever remembered as one of the wildest factory muscle cars ever created.